arrest Riya next. The issue is arrest Riya next. आप डर किस चीज से रहे? शैलेश पांडे जी, आप शिवसेना का समर्थन करते हैं, अब सारे ड्रग पेडलर सबका नाम आएगा. मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ, yes Savio,
to court with this.
yes Savio, we should all
We will
go to court with
and
this.
Goa Chronicle will support Republic by going to court.
We shall be in court. We believe in the court.
Media from bringing out the truth.
Yes, we shall. Now the question is, शैलेश पांडे, आप लोग नर्वस क्यों हो रहे हैं? ये तो ड्रग माफिया को पकड़ा जा रहा है, आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
बिल्कुल नहीं नर्वस हो रहे. क्यों नर्वस होंगे? हमारा क्या लेना देना उनसे जो हम नर्वस
लग रहा है.
आज जो भी इस तरह की गलत काम कर रहा है, वो गलत काम का गलत अंजाम भुगतना ही पड़ेगा उसको.
नहीं, मैं रिया चक्रवर्ती को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे थे ना अब तक आप.
और आपकी मुंबई
जो भी गलत काम करेगा, गलत काम को भुगतना ही पड़ेगा उसको.
नहीं, मुंबई पुलिस प्रोटेक्ट कर रही थी रिया चक्रवर्ती को, क्यों?
मुंबई पुलिस
उस वक्त जांच चल रही थी. जांच देखिए, ये ड्रग्स का एंगल आप देखे होंगे, ये ड्रग्स का एंगल बहुत बाद में आया है. ये ड्रग्स का एंगल जो है बहुत बाद में आया. पहले तो रिया के एंगल से और दूसरे एंगलों से मुंबई पुलिस जांच कर रही थी. नेपोटिज्म पे बात चल रही थी, रिया के एंगल पे बात चल रही थी, सुशांत और उनके अलग अलग संबंधों के हिसाब से बात चल रही थी. लेकिन ये ड्रग्स का जो एंगल है, ये बाद में आया.
ड्रग्स का एंगल अभी है. और आप लोग हमेशा कहते हैं, आप छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का महाराष्ट्र है, और इस महाराष्ट्र में आज बाला साहेब ठाकरे होते तो क्या संजय राउत रिया चक्रवर्ती का समर्थन कर पाते? आज बाला साहेब ठाकरे होते तो मुझे बताइए, क्या बॉलीवुड माफिया का समर्थन आप लोग कर पाते?
संजय राउत जी ने रिया चक्रवर्ती का कभी भी समर्थन नहीं किया.
तो आपने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के परिवार पर आक्रमण क्यों किया? क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप लोग 2 महीने से कर रहे हैं, मुझे सब कुछ पता है क्यों कर रहे हैं.
देख,
अभी रिया अरेस्ट होगी तो आप लोग दुनिया भर को क्या बोलने वाले हैं?
जी 2 महीने से मैं आपके साथ
रिया चक्रवर्ती अरेस्ट होने वाली है, आपकी विशेष टिप्पणी.
रोज ये बात,
I'd like your special comment.
पूरी संवेदना सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जी के परिवार के साथ है, सुशांत सिंह जी के साथ है. हम ये चाहते हैं जो इसमें सच्चाई है, वो सच्चाई बाहर आनी चाहिए.
आप सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के परिवार के साथ हैं और इसलिए उनके निजी जीवन के बारे में उसके पिताजी, उनके 74 साल के पिताजी के पर अटैक कर रहे थे. स्मिता, यस स्मिता
जी, ये वो मिडिल क्लास फैमिली है. थोड़े दिनों पहले जिस रिया चक्रवर्ती ने एक चैनल पर कहा था कि मैं तो बहुत मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हूँ, मैं तो अपने 17,000 रुपए की EMI भी नहीं दे पा रही हूँ. ये ड्रग्स के लिए पैसे कहाँ से ला रहे हैं? इनका क्या वैल्यू सिस्टम है इन लोगों का कि पूरे की पूरी फैमिली जो है वो ड्रग कार्टेल में संलग्न है. दे आर ऑल एक्चुअली नॉट ओनली द फैमिली बट ऑल्सो द पीपल फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड who supported Riya on social media and everywhere. So are they going to come now and support her again and her brother? Or maybe I think they are very scared now. Their drug dealer is actually going in jail. Maybe that's why they are supporting her. So are they going to come out and talk about it? Is this what the middle class families, is this what the middle class values of this country? That you deal in all these things? And because she started talking about drugs because her chat was released. Her drug chat were released and that's why she totally attacked Sushant Singh Rajput that he was taking drugs. And that fell, basically because of that she fell on her face and that's why this arrest happened. Arnab, you know, she played this victim card at that time that I was buying drugs for Sushant. She has any shame or no? I don't understand.
No, I want to ask you, Smita.
And look at what is happening.
Smita, you know her well. And there are all these people on the program like Surendra Chauhan and Vikas Gupta and Sumit who are listening. They are lawyers. Tell me, you know her well. She's very smart. She's very conniving. She called you a few days back. She tried to record your conversation. You recorded her conversation, and then she, there was a massive campaign which has been there against you. I think you should talk about it. Viewers, all of you need to know that when someone like Smita Parekh takes them on, the level of attack which is there on her. Savio, please listen carefully to what Smita is saying, because you will realize by listening to her that there is a whole mafia which targets you. Dark web, cyberspace, voice over internet protocol calls, threats, all this is happening. So Smita, I think you need to go public today with what you faced, some of which you've told me about privately.
Surely, because when she called me, she was playing the victim card the other day, and she said, "I love Sushant so much, Smita ji. You have seen him." Yes, I have seen Sushant. Really had fondness for her, but now I doubt it because this kind of a woman, I want to totally, discard this, thing which she keeps saying that जिस प्राइड से उसने कहा था कि रिया चक्रवर्ती की औकात क्या है, रिया चक्रवर्ती की औकात है कि वो सुशांत सिंह का प्यार है. Sorry, we all have strict objection to this statement of Riya. A woman of her caliber cannot be the love of Sushant Singh Rajput. Whatever she has done with Sushant Singh Rajput over the past 6 months when she did not allow him, this is all on record. And if she has recorded that, let her release that now. You've heard that conversation. Because she will get into trouble more now if she released that particular conversation with me, where she has accepted, yes, I believe it is a murder. She accepted
Yes,
a lot
viewers,
of
I can
things.
confirm that conversation is there. It's a copy of it is with me. I can also confirm that conversation has been shared with me by Smita, but I have not played it because it is a privileged conversation between two individuals. Having said that,
Exactly.
Savio, now this is a person who is a very, very conniving mind. And now her brother has exposed her. What will she do? You know, the worst fear of many people in the Maharashtra government is if you arrest her and she's in custody, she is going to take all of them down with her. She will reveal all the names. She will give all the details.
Arnav?
Yes,
Arnav, if you
yes,
remember
Meeta.
that conversation, she has very clearly mentioned कि अगर मैं arrest हुई या मैं अंदर गई तो मैं सबके नाम लूंगी और मैं सबको expose करूंगी.
Yes.
So I think it's time now, Arnav, that she naturally is going next because Chakravarti family में second member अब उसी का है कि उसको जेल जाना है. तो I'm now hoping that whatever she has spoken to me, that she will expose all
she
the
has
names.
said-
I'm waiting for that one.
She has said that if I go down, I'm going to take everyone down with me. Savio, this is the mindset of this person.
You see, Riya is just like, you've got to look at this entire case like a chessboard. So Riya is your pawn. In order to go after the king, the queen in this game, Riya will have to be taken down and she will spill the beans of the nexus between the politicians, Bollywood, and she will. Because she will break. There is a point in time where somebody breaks. She is a pawn and she will break. But the most important thing is, why did an entire machinery in Mumbai come out to protect her? From Bollywood, from the Mumbai police, and from the Maharashtra government.